Okay, so here we're just gonna mix our mixing medium with the paint. So I used actually half dishwashing soap and half water. I put an ounce of that into each cup. I'm starting with the red paint. You wanna mix it really good. You add about an ounce or a little more of the paint to the mixing medium. You see I'm adding a little more just to get that right consistency. You don't want it too thick or too thin. I do this little scratch test just to make sure that the paint doesn't come back together very easy. I'm going to repeat the process with the black paint. Again, mix, mix, mix. It's so important that you mix very, very well. And there it is again, doing the scratch test. It doesn't combine very easy. So then that's the consistency you want. So we start with our base coat. I'm actually using a beige type color. That's what I had on hand. So you want to get that all around the board. You just move it in every direction. And then you just go ahead and swipe the edges so everything's covered with paint. Now we're going to get a clean cup and start adding our paint just a little at a time. I also added the white. So we did a layer of black, red, white, and then we're going to repeat it, black, red, and white until you get the desired amount of paint you want. Then we're just going to pour it onto our board and make sure all the paint's out, and then there goes the fun part. We just twist the board every which way so we get the paint to spread over the entire board. It is definitely a messy process. And there you have it, your finished poured paint picture.